Dear students and friends, I am Ponala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class, Coordinate Geometry. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points 2, 3, 6, 3 and 2, 6 by using Heron's formula. Reference is here. This is the triangle ABC with vertices 2, 3, 6, 3 and 2, 6. Let A 2, 3, B 6, 3 and C 2, 6 be the vertices of the triangle ABC. Heron's formula: area of the triangle ABC is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here small a equal to BC, small b equal to CA, small c equal to AB. Distance between the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Therefore small a equal to BC, that is equal to distance between the points B 6, 3 and C 2, 6. Now let this be x1, y1, x2, y2. This is equal to under root 2 minus 6 whole square plus this plus formula plus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to under root 2 minus 6 is minus 4, so minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 3 is 3 whole square, that is equal to under root, since we have even number here, this minus becomes plus, so minus 4 whole square becomes plus 16 plus 3 square is 9. This is equal to under root 25. This is equal to 5. Actually under root 25 is plus or minus 5, but we should not take minus since these are the lengths of the sides. So under root 25 is equal to 5. Small b equal to CA, that is equal to distance between the points C 2, 6 and A 2, 3. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. That is equal to under root 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. That is equal to 0 square plus 3 minus 6 is nothing but minus 3 whole square. That is equal to under root 0 plus, since this is even number, this minus becomes plus. So minus 3 whole square is plus 9. That is equal to root 9. That is equal to 3. Similarly, small c equal to AB. That is equal to distance between the points A 2, 3 and B 6, 3. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. That is equal to under root 6 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. 6 minus 2 is 4, so 4 whole square plus 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 whole square. That is equal to under root 4 square is 16 plus 0 square is 0. That is equal to under root 16 is equal to 4. Therefore S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A is 5, B is 3 and C is 4. So 5 plus 3 plus 4 by 2, that is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. 2, 6 are 12. Area of the triangle ABC in Heron's formula is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to under root S is nothing but 6. So 6 into 6 minus 5, A is 5, into S minus B, 6 minus 3, into S minus C, 6 minus 4. That is equal to under root 6 into 6 minus 5 is 1, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and 6 minus 4 is 2. That is equal to under root 6 3 is 18, 18 into 2, 36. Under root 36 is equal to 6 square units. Answer.